What the fuck is my camera, man? Man, what the fuck is my... Okay, welcome back to a new internet video, yes. Today I'm with... The fuck? Fuck. You look so traumatized, Tailtrap. Tailtrap doesn't want to be a part of this. Go follow Wolfie on Twitch as WolfieVR. That's how you greet in German. What you mean? There's nothing wrong about it. It's 100% normal human. Back. This is content for YouTube. Pooping. No, it's a trap.
Her var din iPad, Wilhelm, så den er ledning.
Okay.
Har du haft det godt, trap?
You've always been and always will be. One time trap, always a trap. I will sim for Wolfie. Fucking hell. My family is very loud. Got my cable. Shut the fuck up. Wait. Abby, you also have that avatar? That's fucking cool. Abby, you also have that avatar? That's fucking cool. Or, I used to have it, but now I have Pepsi, man. It's a very good song. No, yeah. What? What you mean, Wolfie? Streaming and streaming on top of each other. That's how the family of VRChat works. The streaming family works. The streaming. Okay. Oh, okay. Hello, King Devil. You have anything to say for YouTube? Have anything to say to YouTube? The camera. Ja, ik vind het. Great. Bye guys, sorry it's a short video, but I have to go now.